Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful colorful rings. I showed you a few videos ago how to make earrings and you like them so much, so I decided that I will make a second part with a ring. It's really easy to make. I will show you step by step. It's practically a beginner's work, and I'm sure by the end of this video you will be able to make it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, because soon I will be releasing another colorful seed bead ring that looks really good as well, and you will be able to check it out. And you could also like, share and comment, and in this way you really support me, my channel and my mission. And another thing to tell you is that I have a new merch store that you could check out, and the designs are made especially by me for you. From there you could buy mugs, hoodies, t-shirts, pillows, phone covers and so many other stuff, and you could give it as a present for your beading friends or buy for yourself. And you could find links to my store there in the description and at the eye icon here, so you could easily check it out. But let me stop talking and start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are 3 colors of 11/0 seed beads, and you could also use 10/0 seed beads, but all of them should be in one size. And I'm using size 10 beading needle, monofilament that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, and I'm using my flat nose pliers to squeeze my monofilament to go through size 10 beading needle. They are not obligatory, because if you use regular beading thread it's made flat and you won't need these pliers. And I'm using scissors here. And now I'm going to take 5 feet of thread on my needle and I'll be back. Okay, and I have my 5 feet of thread, which is 1.5 meters, and now I will take 12 of these beautiful black seed beads. Okay, and I have my 12 here. Here they are. Now I'm going to slide them down just like that, and I want to go through all of them in this direction. Okay, I'm leaving a small tail here, and in order to make a circle I should go through some more beads. Okay, now I have something like a circle here. Now what I want to do is take 2 red seed beads, and as I'm exiting from this bead and I'm holding my tail thread to make my work tight, I'm going back through these 2 black beads. Okay, so this is my first step. Okay, then you see what I have between my beads here. I have something like a loop, and when I pull I have this. Okay, I'm pulling my tail thread in order to make my work tight. Okay, then I'm going through my following 2 black beads. I'm taking 2 red ones, going back through these 2. Okay, going through the following 2, taking 2 more, and again back in circle through these. You see what I have, and I will continue these 3 more times. Okay, and now this is what I have. If it was too fast for you, just pause this video, catch up and then be back. Okay, so now I'm exiting out of this black bead. You see my thread is here, and I want to go through one of my red beads in this direction. Okay, then I will take a red, a yellow and a red bead. Okay, this is what I have, and I will go through my other bead here, through my other red bead, and I'm gonna pull to the center a little bit. Okay, now this is what I have. And now guys, it's easier for me to flip my work because I'm right-handed, so it's easier for me to continue beading in this direction. That is why I will take one black bead here and I will exit through this red one, like that. Then what I need next is red, yellow and red. Okay, and I'm pulling. Then I'm taking one black bead and I'm going through the following. Then again red, yellow and red. Here it is, going through the red one, pulling to the center, taking just one black, and going through here. Okay, and now I will continue this until the end of this row. Okay guys, and now I'm exiting out of this red bead here, and what I need to take are 5 red beads. Okay, I have my 5 here, and as I'm exiting from this red one, you see my thread is exiting out of here, I'm going through these 2 red beads and pulling. Now this is what I have. Now I'm going to go through this black one and through these 2 red beads. Okay, like that. And I need to take 5 more seed beads. Okay, I have my 5 here. And as I'm exiting from this red, going through these 2 and pulling. Don't worry, it bends and moves like this. I will fix this later with adding more beads, okay? So now guys, what I'm going to do is continue this until the end of this row, and when I'm ready I'll be back. Okay guys, and I'm adding my last 5 beads from this row. And now what I want to do is go in my next flower. Okay, here on the top of my flower. If it was too fast for you up until now, you could always pause and rewind the video to check out if you missed something. Okay, this is my top bead here, and I'm going 2 beads to the center. And you see, here I have 2 red beads to the center, where my black beads start. And I will take 2 seed beads, 2 black seed beads, and I'm going here in this red one that is 2 beads away from the center. Okay, this way I'm connecting my flowers. Okay, now I'm exiting out of this middle bead and I'm going 2 beads, 2 red beads to the center after this top bead there, and taking 2 and going here where there is 2 beads space from the center. Okay, fixing a little bit. Okay, I will show you one more time. Okay, top bead, 2 beads to the center and 2 beads away from the center, so it's in the middle, and taking 2 black beads and going here through these 2 beads. Okay, now I'm going to continue this until the end of this row, and when I'm ready I'll be back. Okay guys, and I have just added my last 2 beads from this row, and what I'm going to do here is add 3 of these beautiful black beads. Okay, I have 3, and here I'm exiting 1 bead after this top bead, and I'm going here 1 bead after this top bead. Okay, and here is where I will attach my ring band. Okay, so I'm going here through these beads, and what I want to do is go back in circle through the same 3 beads I added here, and from there I will start my ring band. Okay, going through these 2 black beads, then I'm going through this red one, and again through all of those black beads. Okay, now I'm in a position to start my ring band, and I will start it by taking 1 black bead, and I'm going back in circle through this black one, and here you see what I have here. I have something like a loop between those 2 beads. Okay, and I'm pulling, then I'm going through the same bead that I just added, just like that, and I'm taking 1 red bead, just 1, and I'm going through this middle black one. Okay, like that, and I'm pulling, then I'm going through this red one more time, taking 1 black bead, going through this one like that, and back through this black one, then through all of those black beads, and black, red, black, then take 1 black, go back in circle through this black one here. You see I have a loop, and I'm pulling, you see, then I'm going through this black one and taking a red. Okay, and I'm pulling, then going back through this red one again, take 1 black, go through this black one, and go back through this one here. Okay, then what I want to do is go back through all of those beads here, and then one more time through these 3 beads. Okay, and continue adding more and more beads the same way I showed you in these 2 rows. If you forget how I did it, rewind this video and take a look at these 2 rows and just repeat them as many times as you want to make a ring band long enough to wrap it around your finger. And when you're ready, I'll be back to show you how to attach it to the other part of your flower. Okay guys, and I made 20 rows. If you want to make longer ring band, you should start with longer thread. Okay, now what I want to do is flip my work this way. Okay, and I want to attach this part here to this one. Okay, so now I'm going through this red one here and pulling. In my last row I added only black beads, okay, to be similar to this part, okay. So now I'm going through these two black beads. And I will flip it this way. Then what I want to do is go also through this red bead here and go around through these black beads. And I will repeat this step several more times, going through here and through here and through all of those beads. And you could repeat these steps as long as you think your work is secure enough. Okay, and when you're ready, you could go back. You could go here at the back of your ring and make some knots, okay? So I'm making here a loop and I'm going once, going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. And you could repeat this several more times, and when you're ready, just cut your thread. Okay guys, and when I cut my thread, this is what I have. And don't forget that you could make so many colorful combinations and your work will be changed beyond recognition. Don't forget that I have a tutorial on the earrings, so you could check it out. So now if you want to support me, you could do several things. If you still haven't subscribed, please do, and hit the bell button to be notified for my new upcoming videos, because I will make another colorful seed bead ring really soon, and this way you will be able to check it out. And you could also check my new merch store, where you could find t-shirt, hoodies, mugs, pillows, and so many other stuff. The designs are made especially from me to you. In this way you support my mission and my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.